Welcome to week 4. Points of our discussion for this week are going to be our live chats, our assignments, our reading, and what kind of week 4 kind of covers. It is week 4, so it's just this week and next week, and we are done, so that's a big plus. So hang in there, we're almost done. Live chats we're going to be doing on Monday. Office hours are Thursdays and Fridays, but honestly, if you need help, you have my email, you have my phone number, call or text me, get a hold of me. That way you're not relying on my office hours to get help. I'd rather get you guys help sooner than later. Assignments, just like each week, we have our discussions, we have our individual projects. Our reading this week is chapter 11, which is kind of light, but it covers a lot of good detail. For our video chat, I actually included chapter 9 from an additional text just because it covers frequency hopping, and that's one of those big things that we really kind of have to talk about. So our week 4 focuses on channelization, and that's going to be multiplexing, demultiplexing, and different variations of multiplexing like frequency, hierarchy, wavelength, time division, and code division. So there's a lot of good stuff here. Sadly, this week is more conceptual because we don't get to see our frequency. We do get to learn about it, but we don't actually get to see it. So with that, our discussion this week is heavily focused on packetizing, frequency differentiation, and CDMA. I also threw up a question already about frequency hopping, because when we start talking about our CDMA, it's really important to talk about frequency hopping as well. Same requirements as all the other weeks. I need a post by Wednesday and 2 additional posts by the end of the week. Again, pay attention to our citations. We need to show that we have support from our literature. We make a claim, we make a statement, we back it up with our citations. This author agrees, this author provides additional clarification. We have to show that we have support. Last is our IP. Same requirements as last week, 2 to 3 content pages. We have an APA reference page as well. We have to include citations. But what are we addressing? What's our content supposed to be focused on? Our content is what is 4G, what is 3G, or regarding our cellular standards. An interesting thing here would probably be to point out who can create 4G technology. What are the major companies out there? Are there any Chinese companies out there that are building America's 4G network? There is, but that's an important topic to discuss. Security concerns for our wireless standards. What are the major differences between the generations? What improvements do you think will develop? What and when are we likely to see to them? Think about the future. What are we going to be seeing? What are you guys seeing are current trends in our mobile technology? Our phones got really large and really small. They're kind of going back large again. What are your guys' thoughts? That's really what this week is focusing on, our mobile technology. So keep that in mind when you're doing your discussions and papers, and you guys should do fine. That's actually it for this week. So again, I want to end on an important note. If you need help, let me know. Alright, with that, I hope you guys have a great week. Thanks. Goodbye.